Welcome to UGC NET Computer Science and GATE Computer Science student. So here I will be teaching another TOC concept, that is non-deterministic finite automata. Now I am straight away go for a problem statement. Design a non-deterministic finite automata NFA which accept input over input symbol a comma b with substring ab. Okay, so now what is the definition of this particular NFA is, again it is phi tuple, same set of tuple as DFA, but the meaning for these tuples is different from DFA only with this transition function. Okay, rest of the things is same. Okay, and q sigma q naught f are same, but this transition function is different. Okay, transition function there q into sigma tends to q, but here q into sigma tends to 2 power q. What is this 2 power q? Is nothing but power set. Okay, if you are having set of q here, states here, if you are applying power set, it will be having 2 power q. For example, q is 3 state, 2 power 3 is nothing but 8 number of state here you will be having. Okay, that is the beauty of this NFA concept. Now again with help of trial and error, from q naught accepting a it goes to q1, from q1 accepting b it goes to q2. Okay, again I am doing some other self looping here. What is a non-deterministic finite automata? What is DFA is nothing but for any from the any state accepting any string, it goes to only one next state, that is said to be DFA. But in NFA, from any state by accepting single input, it may goes to more than one state. For example, if suppose your string having a initially, for accepting a I draw and it goes to q1, as well as from accepting a it goes to q naught itself. Now what happened is this q naught q1 is one of the state in this 2 power 3 state. Okay, if suppose we go for q naught q1 q2 as 3 state. Okay, so I'll be later discussing here. Okay, so now whether I am doing like this. Okay, so here what are the non-deterministic state here for accepting input is from q naught accepting a it is non-deterministic. Okay, like that for b from q1. Okay, it may goes to q1 as well as q2, so it is non-deterministic. Okay, so this way I drawn here. And now what is the proof for this? From q naught I am going to take valid input string a b. Okay, so here a b is substring, so it satisfying given problem statement. Okay, from q naught accepting a it goes to q naught also q1, so I am representing q naught union q1. Okay, now we have a b remaining string here. Now what happen here is you want to make a transfer from q naught accepting a also q1 accepting a. Okay, q naught accepting a it goes to q naught as well as q1 union. From q1 accepting a it goes to q1 itself, so I am writing q naught union q1. Okay, now rest of the symbol in this string is b. Now from q naught accepting b it goes to q naught itself. Okay, I'm writing here, and like that from q1 accepting b it goes to q1 as well as q2, so it must be q naught q1 q2. Okay, now q naught q1 q2 is one of the 2 power q state, because 2 power q is nothing but power set. Null symbol q naught q1 q naught q2 q1 q2 q1 itself q2 itself q0, q1, q2. So now we got this as answer. So this is one of the state in the super q. So it is valid, valid NFA for given problem statement. Thank you for watching.